See, Rajat, I'll say that first you need. I'll mention a couple of things. I'll talk about confidence, and I'll talk about positivity. Now there is a very strong overlap there as well. Um, you need to have confidence in yourself. And if you ask me, was I so confident before? And I'll tell you, the turning point was my MBA. Somewhere in the MBA period was where I realized that I'm not so bad that I cannot do something in life. Okay, I think that confidence in you should be very, very strong. I passed out in 2010. So my placements were in 2009 at the peak of the financial issue that was there. So I seen a similar period there where I walked out of college without a placement. I'm talking.
Was this 2008, 2009?
So I passed in 10. My placements were in 2009. So in the peak of that year. So I passed out early 2010, and it was the whole economy was still getting out. So I walked out without a placement. I went back to Delhi. I had relatives there, so I was staying there with them for a couple of months. I was looking for opportunities that are there. I remember walking into walk-in interviews with resume in hand, trying for a few months, because everywhere that I went, they had those walk-in interviews at barely a few thousands that they were paying. And then I took up a job with a friend's dad who had his own company. The first year I was working there, and it was a very small organization, not more than 25 people. They used to get the salary in check, not even a bank transfer kind of a thing. And a lot of people came back and said, "Sampark, you are pushing yourself down. This is not where you deserve to be," and stuff like that. But somewhere I knew that I will eventually make it out, and I had that confidence that, "Okay, I'm learning out of it. We will work out." And 1 year later was where I got Asian Paints, and as a lateral. So I had not got it via campus. I came to Asian Paints laterally. A lot of people came back and said, now it got set, and that is where it took off. Because somewhere down the line, I had that confidence. I remember walking to the Asian Paints interview. My whole interview was, what were you doing for 1 year? And I'll tell you that company that I was working with for the first year was into astrology.
Oh.
So I was selling astrology for a year. And so my whole interview was, how do you sell astrology?
Yeah.
So that was the interesting part of it. And my clientele base was astrologers. I was selling softwares to astrologers who would use that software to make kundlis for clients. So my whole Asian Paints interview was on this thing. How do you generate leads? How do you convert leads? The whole sales funnel there. So, and I think somewhere down the line, even when I was doing that, I had a lot of confidence that what I was doing, I will do it well, and I will pull through. Even then, when I left a company like Asian Paints, moved into a startup like Ola, having that confidence that irrespective of does that work, does that not work, because again, not too many people have the guts to jump from traditional organizations to startups.
Yeah.
And I've stuck with 2 startups now. I've done 5 years of startups now. So yeah, so confidence is one thing. Second, you need to be positive. You cannot be negative about everything. You cannot be skeptical about everything. So I got this life lesson from a lot of people. What is the worst that will happen? What's the worst? The worst that will happen is that you will fail. But you are educated enough, you are experienced enough that you will have something to fall back on, no matter what happens. A lot of people say, "Arey, COVID aa gaya, meri naukri chali gayi. COVID aa gaya, I didn't get placements. COVID aa gaya, my internship offer got rolled back." But you need to realize that it's not you. It's happening with the world, and it will remain so. My understanding says that at least the next 6 months will be 6 months to a year will be very difficult in this scenario. So you need to be positive. You have to realize the whole world is going down. It's a course correction for everyone. But you need to have confidence. You need to be positive that eventually things will work out. So it might be a few months where you might be tough, but either once you have that positivity, once you have that confidence, then you keep working in the right direction. A lot of people then go into that mode of self-pity, victimization, saying, "Kya ho gaya mere saath? What is happening?" See, one day, absolutely okay. 2 days you feel bad, absolutely okay. The third day you feel bad, you are the only one who's losing.
Exactly. Very true.
Because the world has moved ahead. Everybody is moved ahead. You're still where you are. If you don't start running, people will run away. So I think those are the 2 things. Confidence and positivity is something that you will need to keep. irrespective which stage of life you are. You talk to students, so students are there. Students get very very upset. अरे marks कम आ गए, अरे placement नहीं हुआ, अरे job offer नहीं चला गया, अरे breakup हो गया.
Oh yes. Breakups are the right over.
So anything and everything, it's a part of life. Now in hindsight, 10-15 years later, you look back and say, यार ठीक है, होता है, shit happens. So yeah, that's what it is.